Alright, before going too much further, because I know I've got more repairs to do on this one, I've just liberal use of lip balm in this case, to put it out together so she doesn't fall apart too quickly. I thought let's compare this lovely old Hammerschmidt, what's it? Hammerschmidt Klingson. Yeah, so probably Austrian. Lovely. You can see the wood. I think the wood is from Marrakesh or something. Oh no, it's yeah. Anyway, Mombasa or something. New Mombasa. No, I'm thinking Halo now. There's a slight rose feel about it. Can you see that? Yeah, she's gorgeous. And there's more work to do. But let's compare this and the style. Oh, by the way, first thing clarineters will not notice is, well, I'll turn this one sideways so you can notice it a little bit easier. See how we have a linkage that goes between the top and the bottom parts of the clarinet. That is so that when we use certain keys, it links through to the top. Sorry, I'm going to push the light one thing. Don't worry about it. So that's more the traditional. This is the one, you know, the school type brand. This is a Vito, which is quite nice, made of plastic Vito, versus this aged Hammerschmidt, and the style there does not have a linkage between the top and bottom. So the keying is done differently. And something else you might more immediately notice is the number of the rings, as it were, the halos, as we say. Right, okay. Two and a hole, right? 2 and a hole, yeah, no worries. Then no ring, and only 2 here. Now let's compare sounds. Right, real quick sounds. Sorry, I'm filming up right here so you can actually see these things. Now I'm using a synthetic reed here, a plastic reed on this one. I'm not going to play anything in particular, but I'm getting into the Middle Eastern feel here, the Turkish through, yeah, anyway. Getting ready for Passover. So that's the lovely Vito. Now let's try something similar on this lovely wooden Hammerschmidt. And this is the first wooden clarinet that's ever been personally mine. And it's actually the first time I've played it because I don't know wooden and I don't know this fingering on here. It's intriguing. It's the first time it's been put back together to get a sound out of. When I tried it at the shop the other day, it was leaking all over the place and I couldn't do an out with it. But now, a little bit of time. Oh, the timbre in it. The timbre. Oh, golly. Oh, that lovely wooden roundness to it all. Alright, that's one of the keys I'm going to have to fix. That's stuck. Oh yeah, I can see what's going there. I won't force it. I'll look in a minute. And this one, the tilt key. A little bit different. Well, right, okay. Right, so definitely some work required on some of the other keys there. Alright. It's the first time I've ever played this one in the upper register, so come on, give me a shot. Don't shoot me. Give me a chance. Right, I'm not. Let's go back to the low register. Hey, that's much better. Always leave them with a bang or a smile. Have a good one. Cup of tea. Yeah, isn't she lovely? We'll film some more, but yeah, simplicity, eh? Simplicity. Look at this, all the levers and triggers all over the place. Obviously this one gives you a much greater range. Well, maybe, I don't know. For the concept for the same size. Well, more things to learn. I'm loving the simplicity of that. She's gorgeous. Oh. Alright, so your more traditional, well, standard in this day and age. The Vito, I think oh, how's that compared to my Yami? One of my Yamis. Here's a Yami that needs some work. So this Yami is keyed the same as the Vito, but I also know some pads and leakage going on there. Oh, this one's got a see-through. Oh, you can see your spit going through, eh? How's that? Oh. Yeah. So that one needs some work. But standard, well, modern keying versus this lovely Hammerschmidt, which is probably Austrian, I don't know. Oh yeah, but the Germans were the Wurlitzers, so this is probably Austrian. Okay, tschüss.